This is the day after the swarm capture. As you can see, I've put it close to where it's going to be when I build a permanent stand. This was an impromptu thing. Sort of happened out of season, I guess. So luckily I had a box there. And I caught them in that mango tree there. That little mango tree is where the swarm was. So I caught them in the box, and then last night after about an hour they were all in. I sealed it all up, and I just moved it down to here. Now, as you can see, it's close to the original hive. Is that one there is the one that swarmed, and it looks like they've taken to it quite well. There, you can see them at the front there, all fanning, and I imagine they've adopted it as their new home. So what my plan is now is to leave it for about a week. Let them get settled, start building their comb. Now that hive over there that they swarmed from, there was some of the frames at the top were full of honey, so I did take, and the end two frames in here I put frames with a fair bit of honey and nectar in, and there's a couple of half-built frames of wax in the middle for them, so they've got a little bit of a head start. And these guys over here, obviously they've got all the brood frame at the bottom, and they're going great guns. Now in the next week I will build a new stand just behind this, so when I move that, it'll only move about 1 metre from where I put their permanent home will be. So that was the idea of moving them here on a temporary stand just to get them settled, and they're close to where they're going to be for their permanent home. Anyway,